Hello Photoshop students, today we're gonna make a galaxy effect logo, and to make this logo we need a portrait picture and we need a background picture. And the first thing we're going to do is to move the background from the picture. We're gonna use the quick selection tool, and we're gonna start by dragging areas that we want to keep. When we select it too much, we can use Alt, and then we can delete the selection. Okay, so now we're going to copy that to another layer by using Ctrl J. And we will open a new file. We will change the background by clicking on Adjustment layer and go to Gradient. And here we will change, and this we will set to like, first it needs to be on radial, and we will reverse the color. And that's gonna be good. Okay, so here we're gonna move the picture. We click on the move tool and we're going to move it to here. We're going to adjust it by using Ctrl T. And now we're going to make it black and white. We're going to use a threshold tool for that. We're going to go to Image, Adjustments, Threshold, and we're going to change it to something that we like. That's going to be good. And now I'm going to change this black. I'm going to remove this black. So I'm going to use eraser tool, and slightly we're going to remove all of the black. Doesn't have to be really perfect because anyway it's black and white, so we're not gonna see it, but we will do our best. Okay, we're gonna make it a little bit smaller, and we're gonna use Ctrl T. Like that's gonna be good. Okay. We're going to type the name. We can adjust the size by doing Control, and when we see the arrows, we can change either the height or the width. We're going to group all layers, all those two. And we can do this by doing Ctrl J. So now they're grouped. The next thing I'm going to do is to add the image. In this one, we're going to select the move tool. We're going to move it to the other picture. And now we're going to create a clipping mask. And now you don't see anything, but we have to adjust the blend mode here, and we will adjust it to screen. If you want, by using Ctrl T, we can change the size, we can move it,